Hello guys, welcome back to the trade breakdown analysis. So today I took a sell trade on GJ before the London, you can say the pre-London time. So I will break it down it for you guys. So I just made some side notes. If we just look at here and just telling them with this, if we look at the daily time frame is moving in a bearish momentum, even though the previous day's day candle was bullish candle, which is a purely weak bullish candle, but still if we look at it, it respected the previous candle's high and broke below the previous candle's low, which is actually the bearish movement. We see that in a bearish movement the candles respect the previous lows and highs, and respectively in the bullish momentum they respect the lows and continue moving high by breaking them. So moving furthermore, if we go into the 4 hour, so if we look at the 4 hour, I just wrote here 4 hour is kind of rejecting. So the 4 hour was kind of rejecting from here. If we look at here, we had this wick, which is a humongous wick, and we just saw another candle tried to move down to cover this whole wick and to continue moving till here or maybe till here, but this candle couldn't hold or couldn't, like, you may say there wasn't even enough continuation, even not enough momentum and volume in the market, so the candle pulled back itself and closed above the range. And if we look in the 1 hour, so I wrote again 1 hour is also rejecting from sport zone. So if we look at here, this was the, like, when what we can see is the 4 hour. These 1 hour candles made wicks on the 4 hour candle, So if we look at here, price tried to come down, it rejected, it made a high, again came down to like break below and correct this whole move, but it couldn't. It again pulled back, made a kind of high, but it was a lower high than the previous one, so it again tried to move down but couldn't, and again made a low. If we look at here, it is making lower lows and lower highs, which aren't there that much prominent. If we look at like this it it broke below the previous low, so it is kind of making high, it was kind of making higher highs and higher lows, which can be easily and clearly seen on the daily time frame, but on the overall time frame it seems kind of messy and kind of consolidation. So again moving here, it made a lower high and moved down, made a lower low if we look at here, so but couldn't sustain, and again it pulled back, so it was kind of rejecting this area, and it made this area kind of very key level support area. So when I analyzed this all the market structure and wrote all of these information here, it was like this time this candle was forming, this bearish candle was forming, this bullish candle closed, and this bearish candle was forming at that time. So if we further, so I marked this area on that hourly time frame, anticipating that if any candle closes below this area, so there is a high probability that the market can go till this area or till this zone. But there was another zone, if we look at here, which I thought that the if market would be coming down in a very high momentum with a high volume, then these areas couldn't be like very much important, but they played a very vital role, and market just pulled back itself from here. So if we go further down, so where we could have made an entry in this trade, so as soon as this candle broke below, you can go on the 15-minute time frame. We saw this candle which was forming a weak bullish candle and another candle. So this candle was also a weak bearish candle, but it couldn't broke below the previous candle's low. So I wasn't enough sure that whether these candles are gonna do a retest or they're gonna go down. So I waited for this candle to form. This candle formed like this. It went, first of all it went up to retest that area. As soon as it retested that area and turned bearish, I entered sells right over here and I posted this trade right away, and I was analyzing and posting this trade live on my Instagram. You can check it over there as well. Where is the short position? Is here we are, short position. So I entered short position right here, and I was anticipating market to go till here, and my obviously my stop was above this candle. So my stop was approximately 40 14 13 to 14 pips stop loss, and I was anticipating price to at least go till area, go till this area. But I closed my partials on this candle as soon as this candle closed, and was letting the I closed 90% and my 10% was still running. So when the price when the market made this candle, and this candle without forming a lower wick just broke below the previous candle's high at that time. So as soon as it broke above the previous high, I exited the whole trade, and I closed my partials at approximately like till 38 pips. I closed my partials at 38 pips, approximately 38 pips, and I closed my full position at approximately at here. So it was like at 22 pips, which was just 10%. I closed my partials right at a like good pace, so my exit was a good one. So I posted these and closed the trade live on the Instagram. So you can follow me on Instagram for more trades and all, and I also post these trades uh, way before way before on the Instagram. So please do follow me and check the trades that I have uploaded there as well. So that was it. If you have any question, do ask in the comment section, and if you want me to make any video any specific topic, do let me know in the comment section.